Okay, guys. Well, this is Luke and Vaughn over here. This is my homie. We got a fidget spinner channel.
Let's go, boy!
Right now we got 5 fidget spinners.
Here's our best one, the better one. It's right here.
And it spins the longest
it spins
so
for
far.
About like 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes.
And then we have this blue one. It's pretty loud, but it spins for about 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Then we have this one. I call it the WVU. It's blue, black, and yellow.
It spins smooth and fast.
Yeah, and that one spun for about 5 minutes.
One bacon
because it has a little fiery bacon cap.
Yeah,
and then it spins for about 5 minutes too. And then the 2 longest ones are this black one, the plastic one, and the black metal one.
I gotta say that this one's the best, man.
Yeah, we gotta say the metal one's the best.
I mean, it does make a little noise,
but
it's fast.
I gotta put some more WD-40 on it, and it will be back to normal. It won't be sounding, because if you guys get a metal one, as you can see, you can kind of hear that. It's because you gotta get it.
You gotta make sure.
You gotta make sure you get it greased up so it spins right. But it does spin for a really long time, and if you can see it, it looks pretty sick.
And
then you got the black one, got the WVU one. See, that one's pretty cool.
It's loud though. This one looks sick when you spin it like that.
That one's pretty sick, and that one's the bacon one, and then this is the blue and black one, and it's pretty loud though.
This one's kind of like hard plastic.
Yeah, it's like a harder plastic.
This is just a plastic.
And to finish it up, peace out.